Milan Design Week serves as the historic backdrop for a pivotal moment in the evolution of the IONIQ brand. Here, amidst a city synonymous with world-class aesthetics, Hyundai Motor has unveiled the IONIQ 3.
Honestly, I have a bit of goosebumps knowing the journey we've been on to get to this point.
A fully electric compact hatchback built with a clear, singular purpose to meet the specific needs of the European driver.
It shows you that it's not just about a car, it's also about a philosophy and a design philosophy, showcased by the art of steel and the clarity, purpose and sense of confidence that we have in and around our design.
The journey of the IONIQ 3 began with simple sketches and paper models. By treating steel as a fluid, sculptural material, the design team created the Aero Hatch, a unique silhouette that balances extreme aerodynamic efficiency with a spaciousness that defies its compact footprint.
3 years ago, we looked at those sketches and now we have the production car. And I've been looking forward to this moment where we actually see all of it come together and the results from that very simple demonstration of how we can curve steel and create a new aesthetic out of steel.
Inside, the IONIQ 3 follows a furnished space concept, inspired by 1970s Italian furniture. The cabin is designed to feel like an extension of the owner's living room, prioritizing organic textures, comfort, and safety. It handles the tightest European city streets while delivering interior roominess from a superior segment.
In Europe, we love hatchbacks and hot hatchbacks. With this project, we really focus on bringing this emotion to the European customers with the IONIQ 3. It offers a lot of space inside in a compact size, and magically the exterior looks very sporty, emotional.
For Jose Munoz, the IONIQ 3 is a masterpiece of technology on wheels.
This is more than a design, it's a piece of art, right? And the most important is that not only this car has an outstanding design, but it's got best-in-class range, almost 500 kilometers of range, which is 50 to 100 kilometers more than all the competitors in the segment.
This premiere triggers an aggressive offensive, with 5 new models set to launch in Europe over the next 15 months. Leading this digital leap is Pleos Connect, a next-gen infotainment system featuring a 14.6-inch display designed to be a personalized platform that evolves with the user over time.
Design is key, but tech as well is key. And we have the biggest screen, for example, on the market, but also we use that screen to bring in our new infotainment system. So we see this as a base platform that you can actually enrich and develop over time to really make this car an extension of your life.
Starting in August 2026, Hyundai is localizing IONIQ 3 production at its EV-ready plant in Turkey. As the first foreign automaker to manufacture fully electric vehicles in the country, this strategic move brings high-tech innovation directly to the European market, advancing the global mission of progress for humanity.
We call it progress for humanity, so that's our mission. What a better way for a tech company that happens to sell cars that bring technology on wheels, that is bringing the latest and greatest technologies for everybody to enjoy.
The IONIQ 3, high-tech, artful, and ready for the European road.